Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. A few days ago, I uploaded a tutorial on how to create a dark mode toggle using React and Tailwind CSS version 4. A lot of you tried it out, but some of you messaged me about a really annoying issue. A quick flash of light mode even when dark mode is enabled, especially when you refresh the page. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple and clean fix for that flash on reload and make sure your dark mode feels smooth and seamless. Let's get into it.
All right, now let me show you the actual issue on the UI. As you can see here, I'm currently in dark mode. But watch what happens when I reload the page. Boom. Did you notice that? There's this quick flash of light mode before it switches back to dark. It's super annoying and it kind of ruins the smooth feel of dark mode, especially if your users prefer it by default. But don't worry, we're going to fix this in just a few steps. All right, now let's head over to the index.html file. We're going to add a small script here that will apply the correct theme before React loads. This is the key to preventing that flashing issue. Now, right inside the head tag of your index.html, we're going to add a small script. First, we want to grab the saved theme from localStorage. This is where we previously saved whether the user selected dark or light mode. Next, we'll check if the value we got is dark. If it is, we'll apply the dark class to the HTML tag. This line basically says, if dark mode is selected, apply the dark mode styling before anything else loads. All right, now that we've added the script inside our index.html, let's go back to the browser and test it out. I'll reload the page now. And there you go. No flashing at all. The dark mode is applied instantly, even before the React app fully loads. This makes your UI feel way smoother and more professional, especially for users who prefer dark mode. So that's it for this quick fix. If you were facing that annoying dark mode flash on reload, I hope the solution worked perfectly for you. If it helped, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more React and Tailwind tips like this. Got any other bugs or UI issues you want me to cover? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one and would love to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.